a red light and a cop got him.
Got pulled over. Woo! Boy.
He's gonna get out!
The 80s, 90s, and today. Beautiful day. This afternoon, but I have 36.
eram os nossos amigos.
Eram. Já está. Anda lá. Gosta aí.
刺穿了高原的肺，于是高原连呐喊都无法做到。他一张嘴，血沫就从嘴里面往外冒。高原不能走，他不能离开，他无法依靠速度优势，他只能死守在这里，牢牢的钉在59改的上面。因为高原的身边有太多人，他不能放弃他，离开他。
Oh God, that is exactly what I thought.